everyone. Today's lesson is about algebraic expressions using commutative and associative properties. At the end of this lesson, learners must be able to add and subtract numerals of up to 6 digits, and they must be able to recognize place values and solve problems using associative and commutative properties. Commutative properties. It states that the numbers on which we operate, they can be moved or swapped from their position. This means that A plus B can be B plus A. This is the same. For example, 3 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Then this is a commutative property. Associative properties states that you can add numbers regardless of how they are grouped. It doesn't matter how they are grouped. This means that A in bracket plus B plus C is equals to A plus in bracket B plus C. The numbers are not grouped the same, but it's still the same thing. For example, 3 plus 6 plus 2 in bracket, 3 plus 6 in bracket can be equals to 3 plus 6 plus 2. It's still the same as long as you are adding. In this lesson, we will integrate our board game called A Circulation to Home with the commutative and associative properties in algebra. But before we do that, we have to recap on our previous knowledge. We have our class activity here where we have to fill in the missing numbers. The question will be asked to the learners. Number 1, 4 plus 5, it is the commutative property, right? 4 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 4.
4.
You have to raise your hand before your answer. 4 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus. Okay, Amy raised her hand first.
Plus 4.
5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Is it the same as 4 plus 5?
Yes, it's the same.
Which is equals to? Okay, second question. 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 5 is equals to 2 plus in bracket 3 plus what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karabo.
Is 3 plus is gonna be 3 plus 5.
3 plus 5. This is equals to this, regardless of how they are grouped. That is an associative property. Okay, the third question. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
7 plus 6 is gonna be equal 6 plus 7.
7 plus 6, correct. The other one? Yes, Karabo?
Yes, ma'am. 2 plus 3 in the missing number.
Yes.
Is 3 is equals to 3 plus 2.
True. This is the same, right? The last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4 plus 3
4 plus 3
in brackets plus 9
Plus
is equals
9.
to 4
4
plus 3 plus 9.
9. A learner has to roll the dice in order to obtain a question that is in the color card, because this color card has the numbers that are the same as the ones on the dice. Let's say if a learner rolls and it gets to 2, the learner will get the color card that has 2 in it. Then they have to open. Inside there's a question whereby they will have to answer the question, then they will start to move using the leads. Circulating to home, it is the name of our game. The game is played using a dice, color cards, bottle, leads, which are used to circulate around the game. The rules of the game can be played by 2 or more people, which in this case is the learners. It is used to integrate with the mathematical expressions or calculations, where learners must know addition and subtraction and the laws of commutative and associative properties. How do we play this game? You have a dice, a lid, and your color cards. These color cards contain different questions inside of them.
3.
This is how we play the game. 6. Question 4. 6. The question, it is a commutative question. 4 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 4. 4. Yay! You can start your move. 1. 5. You go 5 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's at minus 2. She has to go back minus 2 moves back. 2. Then my turn. 6. Here's number 6. The question is 9 plus 7 in brackets plus 4 equals to 9 plus in brackets plus my turn. 5. The question says 1 plus 3 in brackets plus 4 equals to plus open brackets 4 plus 3. The answer is 1. It's correct.